Well, hello. Sorry about not making updates, but I've had trouble at work with trucks breaking down, DEF problems, switching trucks out with frozen trucks. But I'm going to make an update on the trailer, prototype farm construction forestry trailer. Been doing wiring for the last month. It's tedious and kind of crazy. Let's start out front here. Made that plate. This is a trailer plug, which is RV plug. This is a commercial 7-way, which operates all the functions of the trailer. This here is a 2-way to power to recharge a battery or to jump the tractors or whatever, we'll go back and forth. And this plate here is going to go underneath here. And I can't have them hang up here and go down to it. It's got to go along the trailer to about there and then come up to the tractor. Because I got the winch coming on that's going to have a cable that pulls a winch about this height that pulls the platforms on, and I can't have hydraulic hoses or the power lines or control lines in the way. I'm gonna mount this jumper to charge the batteries and stuff probably underneath up here, down here, probably in all the way as far as I can. I put another box in right there to operate these lights on the side. These bottom lights are separate. Sorry about that. The top lights and the spotlight is really to go into that, and then the trailer part goes to the trailer, and then the spotlights go up to that box up there for, what are you gonna say, accessory box. So, but these warning lights I got on that are on blinking right now, they're operated by a key fob. I like the brightness of them and stuff, and I could probably get rid of that control box and just plug them into a switch, and that's the control box right there. They put a blinker on them, but I kind of like it that way. Here's a key fob. Let's see here. They're white and amber. You got B. That was B anyways. C. D is just on. So if you want to use them for spotlights, which are pretty bright. And then A is off. And then A back on. Or A off, and then you can't do anything else with the other 3 switches until you push A again. But, so there you have it. Still got some more wiring back here. I got these spotlights, these reverse lights, and that spotlight are on the same thing. So I want to put them on a relay, and then I want to put 2 more spotlights on there, 1, and over there 1. That way they're shining out between the tires. And then so I got 2 relays I mounted here, and I'll take the wire out of this, run down to that. Then I'm going to use this for power, which is inline breaker. You know, I'm going to power into this, power out to the relays. They're only 12 amps for 2 lights, 6 amps a piece. Don't really know if I need to run the relays, but I'm gonna. So, other than that, I think that's it. I'm hopefully soon I'll get that dump rail back on here. All right, everybody enjoy the winter. It looks like we're gonna get some icing up here. So, God bless. Bye.